Today, building robots still means spending most of your time debugging on the real machine. Every tweak, every test, every failure in harsh weather costs time and money. Simulation helps with algorithm development and AI training. When it comes to motion control and real-world behavior, the gap between simulation and reality is still too wide. The physics aren't precise enough, the motor models are not faithful enough, and that gap costs you. Kinco is the world's leading joint motor manufacturer.
And now we are bridging that gap with something developers have been waiting for.
The Kinco SDK gives you everything you need to monitor, control, diagnose, and manage your motors, in simulation and on real hardware. Real-time telemetry of motor status, diagnostics, power management, all through a clean developer-first API. And because the simulation model is built from real motor data, high precision, high fidelity. What works in sim, works on the robots. The Kinco SDK supports C, C++, Python, and REST, and it interfaces natively with CAN, FD, EtherCAT, built for the interfaces and workflows your team already uses. The Kinco simulation library is fully integrated with Isaac SIM, with support for additional open-source frameworks on the way.
So we build a Kinco SDK for your team so that they can develop with confidence from the first line of code all the way to the deployment on the real machine, with higher quality and less guessing.